Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are safe and doing good. You are watching EduStar Class 4, Subject English. Children, so far we have revised from your literature reader 2 lessons and from your grammar book 4 lessons. Today, we will revise from your literature reader lesson 3, Preetham Singh. This story is adapted from The Last Truck Drive, written by the great author Ruskin Bond. Friendship between human beings and nature is the main theme of this story. Preetham Singh is a short story about a truck driver whose name was Preetham Singh and his assistant Nathu. Although Preetham Singh knows that the roads in the mountains are narrow and curved, he is a fast and hasty driver. He never had any feelings about the nature. Preetham was only bothered about earning his living, for which he was dependent on his truck. Nathu is around 12 years old. He is poor but sturdy and sensible boy who loved nature and worked in nature to earn his living. He is from a faraway hilly village. Last year, due to drought, his crops failed. So, because of poverty, he had to come to the town to work so that he can run his family that lives in the village. Nathu knew the importance of nature and loved to work with nature. But only because of his family's circumstances, he was pushed to search a job in the quarry. As he was too young to break the limestone and load them onto trucks, the contractor refused him. When Nathu was pleading for work, Preetham's eyes fell on Nathu's smiling face, and he at once liked him. Though Nathu was poor, he looked strong and smart too. So Preetham took him as a cleaner for his truck at a wage of 10 rupees a day. From that day on, Nathu cleaned the truck and slept in it at night because he didn't have any home. On the other hand, Preetham Singh's family lived in Punjab, and as he was getting older, he was planning to wind up his driving work within a year. Moreover, his truck was also getting old. He used to drive from the hillside, from where limestones were cut, to the depot at the bottom of the hill, where the limestones were sold by the contractors. After Nathu joined his work, a friendly relationship developed between Nathu and Preetham Singh. They spent most of their daytime together. They cared for each other and shared not only food, tea, and other edibles, but also their emotional feelings by enjoying with fun and frolic during work and leisure time. Nathu often talked about his poverty and village life and nature there. He was pained by the cruel stripping of the beautiful limestones from the hills. One day, After loading the truck, Preetham started for the depot. As usual, the truck was running in high speed. When the chaos created by the blasting of limestone was over, Preetham Singh blew the horn so that the people will know that he was approaching. Even if there was no one, he liked to blow the horn. Preetham loves his truck and he often blew the horn loudly. He loved the music of it. Hearing the horn sound, the birds were disturbed and were flying in front of his truck. Despite getting warning from the people, Preetham didn't listen to anyone and continued driving the truck recklessly. He was driving fast on a narrow road when suddenly he saw a train of mules ahead of them. Do you know what a mule is? It is a baby of a male donkey and a female horse. It is called as Koveri Kaludai in Tamil. When the mules heard the horn, they started to run here and there. Soon there were mules all over the place. Preetham Singh hurriedly turned the steering wheel towards the right, but the road turned left and the truck moved straight over the edge of the road, struck against a rock, and turned on its side, rolled over twice, and rested against an old tree. If the truck would have missed the tree, it would have fell a few hundred feet down to the bottom of the deep valley. Few laborers saw the truck rolling down and were shocked. They ran towards the quarry to get help. Luckily, Nathu jumped and landed in a bed of thorny bushes. He was badly hurt. Out of fear, he wanted to run away. But then suddenly he thought of his master. A few feet away from the edge, he saw the truck balanced on a huge tree. His master was stuck inside the truck. Skidding down the steep slope, he looked carefully and spotted Preetham Singh's arm and trunk out of the open door of the truck. Nathu went nearer, saw that his master was jammed in the driver's seat. The steering wheel was pressed hard against the chest. Nathu thought Preetham was dead. He was about to turn back when he saw Preetham Singh open his one blackened swollen eye. Soon the contractor and his men arrived and took him out of the truck. In an hour's time, he was taken to the hospital. Preetham had several broken bones and his truck was heavily damaged. In the hospital, Nathu met Preetham and they spoke to each other. Preetham decided to stop working and go back to his family as his truck was completely broken. He asked Nathu to work on another truck. But Nathu refused, saying that it was better to grow things on the land than to blast things out of it. Preetham also confessed that it was only because of the tree that he was saved. Otherwise, he would have gone down deep into the valleys. You would have seen that Pritam Singh never bothered about nature. He never felt that due to digging of limestone, the people were destroying the trees and wildlife. He was only bothered about his earnings. But later, after the accident, he accepted and confessed that it was the tree which had saved his life. So, from this great incident, he realized his fault. And like Nattu, he too started loving nature and live along with nature. That's all, dear. Hope you might have read the story. During this revision time, read the books and then complete the worksheet. And now it's time for today's worksheet. Roman letter 1. Complete the word pyramid. Roman letter 2. Create words from the word international. Roman letter 3. Make a word from the last letter of every word. Roman letter 4. Replace the underlined words with a single word. You can refer your classwork note meanings for the same. Roman letter 5. Who said these words? Roman letter 6. Write 2 rhyming words for each of the following. Roman letter 7. Write the opposite for the underlined word. For this also, you can refer your classwork note. Roman letter 8. Do as directed. Here, you have to change the tense of the underlined word as per instruction given in the brackets. Roman letter 9. Frame sentences for the words given. Let's check the answers for the previous worksheet. See you in the next session. Take care. Bye.